Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 11 is kitchen utensils. Spoon, fork, knife, cutlery, plate, bowl, cup and saucer, mug, teapot, butter dish, jug, glass, kettle, frying pan, lid, cooking pot, ladle, wooden spoon, spatula, whisk, mesh skimmer, cake slicer, cleaver, kitchen shears, steak hammer, measuring spoons, chopsticks, rolling pin, chopping board, grater, napkin, apron, measuring cup, bottle, jar, strainer, salad spinner, colander, saucepan, casserole, potato masher, peeler, ice cream scoop, corkscrew, bottle opener, can opener, garlic press, nutcracker, pizza cutter, pepper mill, egg slicer, knife block, dish rack, bread basket, oven glove, kitchen towel. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and see you next lesson.